Now let me explain how to import videos into InShot. This is in fact a very simple task. For instance, you can easily upload your video files and start editing them right away. As you can see here, for example, you've recorded a video, right? Or perhaps you want to edit your photo in a unique way. Now let's proceed to the next step. We have various sections available: video, photo, and collage. If you choose video, then, if you are editing a photo, you simply enter the Photos section. And here you just select the one you want, right? Choose it and enjoy. You edit it. But if you don't need a photo and instead require a video, you do the same thing. Now let's enter the video section. In the video section, you will select the video category, and here you can click on what you like. Now let's explore the options available to you for editing and enhancing your videos. If you don't like it, select what you want to edit. For example, we chose this. Click on this check mark, and that's it. Now you can edit to your heart's content. Thank you all for watching, everyone. Good luck to everyone, and goodbye now.